I've been working with cardboard for over 30 years, and if there is one thing I've learned, it's this. Cardboard is like the palm of your hand. It has lines, and if you know how to read them, you'll get the best out of your material. If you have already seen my video Best Cardboard for Crafting, then you know which kind of cardboard is best for your project. But today I want to show you how to use cardboard correctly, especially when your project needs to be strong. When you look at your cardboard, you'll notice lines running across it. These lines are not just decoration, they are the result of the corrugated layer inside the cardboard. That layer is made of small waves and it is placed between two flat sheets of craft paper. That's what gives your cardboard its structure. These lines are very important for you as a crafter. If you don't pay attention to them, your project may bend, collapse, or simply not hold up well. So it's important to always be careful about which direction the lines are going. How to read the lines. Here is the rule. If one side of your cardboard needs to carry the weight, the lines must go in the opposite direction. It might sound simple, but I can tell you, even after all these years, I sometimes stop and check just to be sure. Let me give you an example. In my case, the length of my cardboard is greater than the width, and it's this length that is going to support the weight of my project. So before I trace and cut, I look at the lines and make sure they are running vertically when I hold the cardboard in front of me. That means the lines go from top to bottom, not side to side. This gives strength across the width and helps the cardboard stay firm under pressure. If you're not sure, take a small piece of cardboard and do a little test. Try to bend it in both directions. One way will bend easily, the other way will resist. The side that bends easily is not the one you want to use to hold weight. You should use the side that resists bending. Now what happens if the strong side of the cardboard, the one that doesn't bend, is not long enough for your project? It happens. I've been there many times, and when it does, that's when you get creative. One of the best tricks is to reinforce the weak part by gluing extra strips of cardboard underneath. That way, they support each other and the whole structure becomes stronger. I also recommend wrapping these strips with craft paper or duct tape so they stay in place and don't move while the project is in use. Another thing you can do is use wooden sticks or popsicle sticks. Tape them along the weak side of your cardboard. They act like little beams transferring the load and keeping the surface flat. If you don't have sticks or extra strips, you can fold the edges of your cardboard to create a beam. Just fold a small part of the edge up or down. This simple fold will help stop the middle from bending. So remember, always check the direction of the lines. Use the strong side of the cardboard to hold weight, and if you don't have enough length on that side, reinforce it. There's always a solution. Cardboard is an amazing material when you learn how to read and use it right. I hope this helps you in your next craft project. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, leave a comment below, and of course don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and techniques from over 30 years of crafting with cardboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.